One of the capabilities that we can help deploy is a cloud security control dashboard. This enables us to be able to provide a view to application owners and to executive leadership on where the security stack sits for a given cloud migration or existing capability. We have the ability to view that by wave. So, for example, if you've completed a wave 0, but you're still working through wave 1, an application owner can come in and can better understand what is in progress and what actions that they may need to take. As an application owner here, I can jump in and I can see the details behind what I need to do or accomplish in order to demonstrate my cloud security posture. I'm able to see the detailed requirements and even able to double click in and be able to better understand what tasks and capabilities that I need to do in order to become compliant. I can further understand what resources that this is tied to and some of the various status and capabilities that I may need to execute against. Ultimately, this can be deployed for a variety of use cases and enable visibility to application owners and executive leadership alike.